Alright guys, I'm showing you my outfit of the day. I have on this gray sweater. This is from Express. And I think I got this about 2 years ago, guys. And I promise you, I just took the tag off of it. You'll learn that about me. I have clothes in here that I don't even wear. So that's a problem. Then I have my black slacks. These are also by Express. My earrings are Amazon. Can you see those? Amazon earrings, the pear shape. They're really knockoff brand of that popular designer. But these will suffice for me, and they are just adorable. So I have those on. And do I have on a necklace? I think I took off a necklace, but this is the outfit of the day. Good morning, friends. Happy Sunday. It is October 24th. We are on our way to church to get some good word, much needed. Yes, and hubby's over here driving us. It's a gorgeous day. It's pretty cold though.
Yeah, we're probably going to be about a few minutes late.
Yeah.
We've been kind of decorating the house, Christmas decorations. Thinking about possibly getting maybe a bigger tree for the living room, since we have the vaulted ceiling, something maybe. I guess our ceilings are probably about maybe 14 feet high. And the tree that we currently have right now is like 7.5, so we think maybe a bigger tree, maybe something like 10 feet, 12 feet, really pop in the living room. So that was kind of one of our discussions earlier this morning. So that's the reason why we were a little bit late for church. And but yeah, we're just on our way to go get some of that spiritual food. The car almost cut me off. You see, boo, ladies and gentlemen, that's the reason why we need to be going to church right now.
Yeah, people can't drive. Ever since we've been back, well, New Yorkers really don't have to drive, so it's totally different from here in the South. We'll just say that. They go with the flow. Here, people think too much and don't pay attention, and that's where, accidents start, and we see them all the time. We saw one last night when we were going out looking at some Christmas trees just near our house.
Yeah. Very, very slow paced.
It is.
Very slow paced.
But we love it, not to complain, but it's just different. Yeah, like hubby said, we went last night to do some Christmas shopping. So we're really hoping to find the perfect tree for this year. But if not, we may just wait until after Christmas and, catch one when they're on sale. Because that always happens. And what we have is really nice. It's just we want just a taller tree in the living room area.
Yeah, we last night, Saturday night, we went to a few places. Lowe's, Home Depot, just pretty much looking for a 9, possibly 10-foot tree. Trees are pretty expensive these days.
Mm-hmm. And as you saw in the clip from the last vlog, we went to several, and Lowe's, Home Depot didn't even have what we were looking for, but Walmart did.
Yeah. And
that's typically how it works, the ones you think, let's go to the higher price point stores, and then they don't have exactly what you want. They really didn't have a lot of 9-footers, period. It was like 7 feet, 7.5.
7.5.
7.5.
Yeah.
And they were nice, but it's not what we're looking for. So we didn't want to go and purchase something that is not exactly what I want, because otherwise we'll be selling it on Marketplace or something.
Those trees are very nice, 7.5 feet tall, but at the same time looks kind of funny.
Yeah, it's vaulted, but it has the crown molding, so it's like where our tree would go, it's like perfect fit would be 9 feet, but if you move it over like an inch, maybe less than an inch, we could get a 10-footer.
Yeah.
Maybe even a 12,
maybe
really.
Even a 12. 12 actually would work.
It would look really good, especially by our fireplace.
I'm going to tell you, last night, Saturday, sports, football team, my favorite football team was playing. And
Our favorite.
Right. Go Vols. It was just one of those days where it was just football, relaxation, and just wasn't in the mood really to just put away all the autumn, the fall decorations, and out with the fall decorations, in with the Christmas decorations. To me, that's just a lot of work, a whole lot of work.
Well, we didn't take it down before, and plus, like I was telling our friends here, we were out of town for a week for the birthday trip in New York City, and typically I guess we would have the tree up. Yeah, we would be in town around this time. So we would have the tree up around the weekend of my birthday.
Mm-hmm.
And we would have it all done. And I think now it's just it seems like it's a little rushed. But like I said before, we're not hosting this year Thanksgiving because that would have been very hectic. But, so that's good.
Yeah, like last year, everything was up around this time. Mm-hmm. Like Wifey was saying, we were about to actually host Thanksgiving. I'm just not quite ready, well, wasn't quite ready for putting up the Christmas decorations, but you know, it is what it is.
Once it's all up, you know, you feel a lot better. It's like it's behind you. Yeah, it was not the plan at all to put up any trees yesterday. It was just maybe to gather the fall stuff and, you know, put it up. We did initially, say we were going to do it this weekend, but the weekend came and we were not feeling it. I'm really not in the spirit yet. So even hopefully once we get everything up, maybe that'll change. I don't know. I'm still on a high from the New York trip. Yeah. Still on a high. So, and we saw some Christmas decorations in New York, but how about we left since Thanksgiving's later this year, the Christmas decorations were not up. Like the tree is not lit until December 4th. And then some lights were up and it was beautiful, but we didn't get to see the full Christmas, you know, decor of New York City, which you see on TV. And that's what we wanted to see. But it's all good. But we had a taste of it finally pulling up here to church. We're a little late. Now we need to find parking.
Not one parking space.
I knew that's
what happens when you're late.
Yep, we made it. We could have stayed at home, but we're here. So
we're here. Yep.
But all right, guys, we'll be back after church. Let's go get this good word. I hope you're having a great Sunday.
You've been talking about patience, hoping for everlasting. You're known for talking crazy. I know it's infatuation. You know how I feel inside. You know what is real and I.
Hey guys, we just got back in from church. Outside here, allowing Layla to come on out here and handle her business. Church was so amazing, guys. It was an amazing, amazing service. And it was out of the scripture, it was out of the book of Ezekiel. It is several days later. What's today? Monday? So I think it was Saturday when my husband and I went out to the store to look for a Christmas tree. Well, we did purchase the tree that we really wanted. And we actually were going to order it, you know, online, but we were able to get it into my car. So my husband went yesterday and got the tree. Guys, it is so beautiful. I can't wait to share it with you. We put the tree up, but we have not decorated it yet. So I will definitely show you the finished product, but we're trying to decide on what colors we want to do on this tree. I want to change it out. I always go with the same colors, but I have an idea of maybe like the rose gold this year and maybe like an emerald green combination. I don't know, but the tree is amazing. I cannot wait to show it to you. But guys, I'm getting on here. It's about, what time is it? About 5:35. That's Layla in the background. On Monday, just finish up the work day. It has been a day, okay? And I will share that in another video. I don't think I'm just up to it to go back and relive everything today. It was just a blow. But, you know, life happens, and at church yesterday was just right on point. So I know God is working, you know, and His way is the right way and the only way, okay? So what I desire may not be what God desires. So that is a lesson that I have to keep constantly reminding myself, you know, but that's just life in general. Feeling a little better. I always feel better after I talk to my husband. He knew how hard it was for me, and we kind of talked about it and everything, and I'm trying to finish up this day, but ooh, it's dark. We need to turn on a light, don't we? I've been in that office, guys, and it was enough light in there, but you really have to go, huh? I just watch her, guys, out here. But anyway, let me put you back up. But yeah, we put up, and you may be able to see some. That's one of the trees. We put up actually 3 trees yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah. We moved some around, but yeah, we did put up 3 trees. Wow, the upstairs, but we haven't decorated, but it is a relief to get this over with. Because we were not in the mood to really take down our fall stuff. But once we got it up and I got to moving and seeing the progress, it was, you know, a little easier to maneuver. But I'm getting a little more excited. I need to do some Christmas shopping for sure. I haven't done anything here. Hold on one second, let me let Layla in. She's not finished with her business yet. But yeah, so I have ideas. My husband will be here shortly, but I have a list of things I need to get him. So that's easy. I can just go out and get those because I want to get things wrapped. I'm always the last minute with wrapping. I used to be so good back in the day with just as soon as I had gifts, I would wrap them because I want it to look good under the tree. I want to see the wrapped presents. But as I've gotten older, I'm telling you, it's just more like these things stay in bags and I just know I have to wrap them. So I don't want to do that. I want to actually have them out wrapped. The presents that we do have them wrapped by December 1st. Okay, guys, I just let her in. It's something going on out here. We hear ambulances galore. Layla, where are you going? She does not like to be downstairs, guys. She has to go upstairs in the bonus room. That's her cozy place. She barks when I go into the office, like telling me to come on and let's go upstairs. She is a hoot, okay? But let me go back in the office now. But, oh, what was I saying? I'm losing track, guys. Today was just one of those days. And I really need to take me a bath and just relax. It's really been a day. Check out my community tab. I will post updates pretty regularly there so you know when to expect uploads or just fun events that we're doing here, especially around the holidays. I am really considering participating in Vlogmas, but let me know in the comments section. I do update periodically there, and I will do that more so moving forward. Let me know if you're interested in Vlogmas and what you'd like to see of me. Now, again, formerly my channel was This Southern Girl Cooks, and all of my content was pretty much geared around cooking and baking. But now that I have changed the title name and rebranded, I'm just going to include a lot of just my husband and I, really candid conversations and cooking some. He'll get in the kitchen some. Now, I do the cooking in the house, but he can cook, you know. So we're going to participate in some fun little hubby and wife cooking sessions here, if you will. So hopefully you'll join us for that.